How often have you witnessed your sibling spending hours playing video games, delaying tasks until the 11th hour, or your colleague procrastinating continuously and easily getting distracted? In a world where making every moment count is a priority, the question arises: why do so many people around you seem indifferent to productivity? You observe them sidestepping every productivity hack and having nothing to do with their to-do lists. For many, comfort is everything, no matter what's happening around them. Welcome back. This is Anshul Kumar. Let's get into the rest of the video right away. The productivity paradox. Growing up, how often did you see your father dragging furniture, hammering nails, and working on a surface every Sunday morning in his productivity mood, insisting you join in with the banging? Could he label you as unproductive? Should you be? Humans aren't efficient machines. It's okay not to adhere to traditional productivity and not be on at all times without being labeled unproductive or ambitionless. However, it's also the fact that you will encounter individuals who never seem to be in a productivity mood. Understanding why isn't a one-sentence answer. Many factors play their part as we delve deeper. Consider a person with a stable career, a good family, and basic needs met. Why would they read Getting Things Done by David Allen? Productivity comes from within. It needs a driving force, like wanting to lose weight or master a new skill. You're naturally more productive when you have a strong why. Those who don't care about productivity might lack that internal motivation. Those who care about productivity are driven, while others aren't. They find contentment in a passive life, resisting change and allowing things to unfold as they are. It's hardwired into us to resist change, even when it could benefit us. Our brain sees it as a threat and wants to stick with what's familiar. Here's the flip side. For some people, often employees or laborers, productivity doesn't translate into personal gains for them. We all have a mantra to repeat before doing anything. What's in it for me? Why push yourself if there's no reward? It makes sense. Productivity isn't always about the act, but the value derived. Thus, these people seek meaning in their work, asking, was my day meaningful, rather than, was it productive? This way, people can be highly productive without having much focus on productivity. Your worth is not defined by your productivity. Like Weiss, highly productive people often get things done by simply acting, not getting lost in perfect systems. Excessive focus on optimizing time and making plans often reduces overall productivity. The obsession with productivity can even lead to procrastination, making things worse. Final thoughts. So, why do some people not care about productivity? It's not laziness or lack of ambition. It's about finding different values, motivations, and meanings in life. Maybe actual productivity isn't about ticking off boxes, but about doing what matters most and finding fulfillment. Let me know your thoughts in the comments, and feel free to subscribe, like, and share this video with your friends and family. I will see you soon.